Welcome to our guide on leveraging the Windows Credential Manager to swiftly recover lost account details. This tool is a game changer for forgotten logins. First, let's understand what the Windows Credential Manager is and why it's so useful. We all know the frustration of seeing that incorrect password message. It's a common tech headache that costs us time. Credential Manager stores your login details for websites, connected apps, and networks securely, allowing you to quickly recover them without a complex password reset. Ready to access it? Let's go through the steps to open Credential Manager. The easiest way is through Windows Search. Just type Credential Manager in the search bar and click to open the application. Once open, you'll see two main categories: web credentials for websites and Windows credentials for network and application logins. Let's start with how to find credentials saved for a specific website. Under Web Credentials, scroll through the list to find the website entry whose password you need to recover. Click the small arrow next to the entry to expand the details, then click Show next to the password field. You may need to authenticate with your Windows password. Next, we'll look at the Windows Credentials section, which handles network and application logins. Windows Credentials stores logins for local networks, servers, or applications that use your Windows login details for access. If your login details change, you can easily edit the stored credentials here. You can also remove entries you no longer need for improved security. Now, a quick but important note on security and best practices when using this powerful tool. Use Credential Manager when you need to recover a password, fix broken application access, or troubleshoot network login problems without a full reset. Since Credential Manager is protected by your main Windows login, ensuring you have a strong, unique master password for your computer is absolutely critical. To wrap up, let's summarize the power of the Windows Credential Manager. This tool enables you to quickly regain access to critical accounts and services, streamlining your digital life and avoiding unnecessary password resets. Mastering the Windows Credential Manager is the key to simplifying a common tech headache. Thank you for watching.